Welcome foodies, today I'm gonna decorate a chocolate cake with super sharp edges and with easy decor idea. So here I have a turntable, put an anti-slip mat underneath the cake board so that the cake does not slip during filling and scraping. Put some icing on the cake board so that cake nicely sticks to the board. Here I want to mention that your cake should be properly chilled, otherwise frosting will melt and you won't be able to stack layers. I'm using piping bag for filling, but you can use a spatula also. Put another layer of the cake and nicely press so that no air bubble remains between them. Repeat the process for another layer. Now with the help of two scrapers, I am aligning the layers so that I have straight tall cake. To prevent tilting of the layers, I am adding one dowel in the center and now I'm gonna frost top layer of the cake. After putting frosting, use a spatula to smooth and use back and forth motion on the side so that frosting nicely sticks and no gap remains. Once it's done, hold a big scraper at an angle and start rotating the table to smooth the sides. Fill the gaps if you find any and scrape again. For the top edge, I am using same spatula to scrape out the excess frosting. Now refrigerate the cake for a good 4 to 6 hours so that all filling and frosting nicely set up. Once it's properly chilled, use a metal scraper to scrape the sides. During refrigeration, I accidentally ruined the top, but no worries, I can fix it at this stage. Keep scraping at an angle and with a little pressure and fill gaps with excess frosting. On sides, if you feel more frosting is needed, you can add at this time and smooth it out. Take your time in smoothing and refrigerate one more time to clean the top edge. I'm using fluxy smoothers for this purpose because they give me more control in cleaning this ridge. So here you have it. Smooth, clean and sharp edges cake, and now it's ready to decorate. I'm using a toothpick to make a little impression on the cake. You can draw any pattern of your choice. Here I have a piping bag fitted with open star piping tip and filled with whipped cream frosting. Pipe some easy flowers with Wilton tip number 104. Just squeeze and stop. Squeeze and stop. That's it. To give a more fancy look, I am adding some beads in the center. Clean the board and it's almost done. Sleek, elegant and beautiful. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.